How to make fashion website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website on Wix.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. So guys, feel free to create an account on Wix.com because it's completely free. You just need to use your email address and create a suitable password. So next you just need to click this blue button, create new site, and you will be redirected to another page here, Wix site creation. Now Wix website offers us to try an AI help, but in this video we don't really need it, so just click to set up without chat. Now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. So we need a fashion website, so I'm gonna type just fashion here. And here you can choose from fashion designer boutique, fashion designer, fashion consultant, fashion blogger, fashion designer shop, fashion stylist, fashion model, fashion design artist. So the plenty of choice here, but we need just a fashion site. So here you must choose what exactly you need, what kind of website you want to create. For example, you are a fashion blogger, so obviously you need to choose this one, fashion blogger. Then you need to click this button, continue. The next step is that we need to create a name for website. What would you like to call your website? I'm gonna name it an example just to show you and move on. Don't really need this website. Here you need to answer this question. What are your goals for this site? For example, you want to sell products on your website, or maybe share knowledge, offer services, display creative work, build a community, promote a business, promote myself, just explore. So basically for a fashion blogger, I think you need to choose maybe this one, of course this one, and promote myself. But guys, if you want to sell products on your website, of course you need to choose this one and maybe offer services and maybe promote a business. Now you need to choose the apps you would like to add. Give your site more functionality with Wix business solutions. So recommended for you is blog, write posts to drive traffic and share your ideas. Instagram feed, display your pics and videos from Instagram, and forms, get info, subscribers and payments with forms. Also you can discover more apps here, such as online store, bookings, events, portfolio, pricing plans, chat, video, music, and so on. So for a fashion blogger, of course you need this one. And now we are all set. We can continue to dashboard. Wix dashboard is a perfect tool for creating a website because it's very easy to use. Now we are back to our dashboard and we can see that we still have 4 steps to fill in so that we can have our website. However, I'm sure every user will be able to fill in all of those. That's pretty simple. Also, this dashboard will be changing. For example, if you in previous step, if you chose another apps or another maybe goals, this dashboard will be a little different. So that's why I will not show you like how to fill in all of those steps, and we will move straight to this point, design your website, because this is the most important thing here. And basically in this video and basically uh, every time when you want to create a website. So now we need to decide exactly how we want to design our website, pick a template or generate a design with the help of AI. I will choose this one because I really like to browse thousands of designs and pick one to customize. Wix.com have plenty of templates, really nice templates by the way. So you just need to choose the template that you think is the best. So to be honest, all templates are really nice, but I really like this one. So you need to click this button view to check this out, check this template, or you can edit this one straight from this page. You will be redirected to another page, Wix website editor. So guys, Wix website editor is the best option to create a website because you don't need to know any of programming languages such as Python, C++, C#, and maybe Java. You just need to use another website for creating your own website. I think that's the best about Wix.com, and that's why I highly recommend you to try this website. And now we can move on to the most interesting part. You can edit almost everything here. Here we can select which page we are on our website. Also on the left we have such functions as add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media. And here we see how our site is divided into several parts, from header to footer here. If you want to edit, for example, this specific section about me, you need to double click on it, or you can just click this button, quick edit. And now you can edit this section really easy. For example, you want to edit this text here, double click on this text, and now you can type it, type any text you want. You can change the style, you can change fonts, you can change font size here. Of course, you can edit these images, you can delete these images, you can move it how you want. You can delete them all. Just click this button. And you can return them. You have such buttons as undo and redo. For example, click this button and they are back, these images. So for example, you want to add new images here, another one. You just need to click this button, add elements. Here you need to choose image, and you can upload your images from your computer here, or you can import images from your socials, social media and Google accounts, or you can use free Wix images, or you can even create AI image here, easily create unique images for your site here. Of course, you can move this text how you want. You can change the size of this text, like here. Also, guys, of course, you can add some sections. For example, you want to have a gallery section. You need to choose a section here. You have many options, you can see, and drop it anywhere on the page. For example, this one, and here you have it, your gallery here. Of course, you can edit this arts by clicking this button, manage media. Here you can change the order of pictures, you can delete some of them, or you can even delete all of them. You can replace them. You can add the title for your pictures, description, even link, and of course you can add a new one from your computer. You can even add a video. So in general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend trying to explore it yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. And when you are done editing this website, you need to click this button, publish, to go live with your site so anyone can see it. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.